Look closely at that perfectly grilled steak, that beautiful, crispy, golden brown crust sizzling on the pan. It looks like the ultimate healthy dinner, right? You've been lied to. That golden crust isn't just flavor, it is pure, accelerated biological aging. Every time you grill, fry, or roast your food at high temperatures, you are cooking a chemical poison straight into your cells, and it's slowly destroying your skin, your brain, and your heart. But what if I told you there is a way to eat the exact same foods, but cut this toxic load by 50%? Today, you are going to discover the dark secret behind dry heat. You will learn the exact biological mechanism that is aging you from the inside out. And more importantly, I'm going to show you the low temperature protocol, the ultimate guide to cooking without creating poison. By the end of this video, water will become your greatest anti-aging weapon. Module 1, the Maillard deception. We are obsessed with the crunch, that smoky, charred flavor of a barbecue. In the culinary world, this is called the Maillard reaction. It happens when amino acids and sugars in your food are exposed to high, dry heat. Chefs worship it because it creates thousands of new flavor compounds, but biologists are terrified of it. When you expose food to temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit without moisture, you don't just create flavor, you create A.G.E.s, Advanced Glycation End Products. The acronym literally spells A.G.E., and it does exactly what it says. It ages you. Think of A.G.E.s like biological superglue. Once you eat them, they enter your bloodstream and start searching for healthy proteins to attach to. Their favorite targets? Collagen and elastin, the very proteins that keep your skin tight, your blood vessels flexible, and your joints pain-free. When an A.G.E. molecule binds to a protein, that protein becomes stiff and mutated. This process is called glycation. It's the exact same process that turns a soft piece of bread into hard, brittle toast, except it's happening inside your arteries. Module 2, the toxic load. Now, you might be thinking, I eat healthy. I eat grilled chicken and roasted vegetables. Let me stop you right there. It doesn't matter if the food is organic, grass-fed, or locally sourced. If you blast it with dry heat, you are mutating its chemical structure. For example, a raw apple contains virtually zero A.G.E.s, but when you bake it at high heat to make apple chips, the A.G.E. levels skyrocket. A boiled chicken breast has a relatively low A.G.E. count, around 1,000 units per serving. But take that exact same chicken breast and fry it in a pan, the A.G.E. level explodes to over 8,000 units. Grill it over an open flame, you're hitting 10,000 units or more. The modern Western diet is a glycation nightmare. We fry, we roast, we grill. We are constantly bombarding our immune systems with these mutated proteins. And your body treats A.G.E.s as a foreign threat. Your immune system launches a massive attack to get rid of them. The result? Chronic systemic inflammation. This isn't just about wrinkles. This inflammation is the root cause of metabolic syndrome, neurodegeneration, and cardiovascular disease. You are literally cooking yourself to death. Module 3, the water shield. So how do we stop this? Do we have to eat raw food for the rest of our lives? Absolutely not. The secret isn't abandoning cooking. The secret is changing the element. You must trade fire for water. Water is the ultimate thermal shield. It physically prevents the temperature of your food from exceeding 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. Because water boils at this temperature, the food inside the pot or steamer can never get hotter than the boiling point. Without that extreme dry heat, the Maillard reaction cannot occur. The sugars and proteins do not violently collide. They do not mutate. By simply switching your cooking method from dry heat to moist heat, you can reduce the amount of A.G.E.s in your meal by up to 50% instantly. Module 4, the low temperature protocol. So how do you actually apply this to your daily life without eating bland, boring food? Rule number 1, embrace the slow cooker. This is your ultimate anti-aging machine. Cooking meat slow and low in a liquid, like a broth or wine, breaks down the tough muscle fibers, making it incredibly tender, while keeping the temperature safe. You get all the deep, savory flavors of a home-cooked meal, but with a fraction of the toxic glycation load. Rule number 2, the power of marinades. If you absolutely must use a grill or an oven, you can protect your food using an acidic marinade. Marinating meat in lemon juice, vinegar, or apple cider for just 1 hour before cooking creates a chemical barrier. The acid shifts the pH level of the meat, which significantly slows down the formation of A.G.E.s, even under higher heat. Rule number 3, steaming over roasting. Vegetables are incredible for you, but roasting them until they have those black charred edges, you're ruining them. Invest in a bamboo steamer or a simple metal basket. Steaming locks in the water-soluble vitamins, preserves the antioxidants, and completely prevents glycation. A steamed sweet potato is a nutrient powerhouse. A fried sweet potato chip is an inflammatory bomb. The choice is yours. Module 5, the art of not dying. We spend billions of dollars on anti-aging creams, serums, and supplements. We inject our faces to hide the wrinkles, but we ignore the actual fire burning inside ourselves. True longevity doesn't come from a bottle. It comes from controlling the inflammation at the source. It's about respecting the chemical structure of your food. Food is information. Are you sending your body instructions to heal or instructions to age? Start today. Take 1 meal a week that you usually fry or grill and slow cook or steam it instead. Feel the difference in your joints, your energy levels, and watch how your skin responds when you stop feeding it mutated proteins. The art of not dying isn't about eating less. It's about cooking smarter. Water is your ally. Fire is a tool you must use with extreme caution. So I have a question for you. Now that you know the truth about the golden crust, what's for dinner tonight? Do you prefer the crunch of the fry or the longevity of the steam? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to know exactly which foods are secretly destroying your metabolism even when you eat them raw, click the video on the screen right now. I'll see you there.